There are a few other ways that you might be asked to complete an assignment through Teams. When we did our hovering assignment, we simply just clicked on turn in and then we were able to be finished with it after we gave the thumbs up on the post. But if you can look at these two, the Sight Word Scavenger Hunt and then Scavenger Hunt version 2, you'll see that there's two different ways that we can work with this. So the first is if I have the sight word scavenger hunt, it says, let's see how many sight words you can find in your real world. You can print this sheet and color in the sight words as you find them. You get the idea. So on here, you would download the link that the teacher gave you. And this, if I click on it, it won't pop up and show on my recording, so I'll just tell you about it. But it basically is a sight word sheet, and it would be where you would color it in. If you were able to print it out and color it in, then after you've finished that, you're going to click on Add Work. Once you clicked on Add Work, then you would go into your computer's files and you could choose Upload from this device, or you could add a new file from here. And once you've found that file, I'll go from Upload from this device. You won't see this part because I'm in a new screen. I can download and upload it and then click on Done. Then you'll see that you have the reference materials, and then I have, it happens to be named the same, the download. Okay. Once I have everything in here that I wanted, I could go back and I could remove it if it was the wrong thing. I can open it just to take a look online if I want to, or I can just simply turn it in. There's my rocket ship. Now, if I go back, your teacher might assign this in a different way. If I go to Scavenger Hunt version 2, you'll see that the instructions would have been the same. I didn't type them all in again, but you'll see my work and then this little icon which represents the class notebook. This is Language Arts Week 1, Day 1, and this isn't true, it's just a sample that I made. So when I click on it, it will load your classroom notebook. This is exactly the same as you would see in the tabs up at the top where it said class notebook, but the assignments we're going to try to use to direct you right to the right spot on there. If you look at this, that's the kindergarten sight word list, and then with the instructions, it was a scavenger hunt to try to find 20 of the words. One of the best features of this is the draw tool. So if your student gets something like this, they can click on the draw tool, and then they can choose the pen or the highlighter, which they get to choose different colors from. They could choose the ink color of their pen if they want to. And then you could have them go in and practice their mouse skills or their highlighting. So if they found the word C in green, they can click and drag. And we've been practicing this in computer class as well. So they can practice their clicking and dragging over the words that they were able to find or as they were able to find them. Might be a good idea if this was an assignment to keep a list, and then they can come in and actually do this on the computer. Okay. After they've finished making changes, they click on close, and anything that has changed, they can go back. When they open it again, their work from before will be there. Okay. Again, they can go back to the draw tab. Maybe they found some new words, and this time they want to circle them in green. Completely their choice. Okay. And then once they've completed all of the assignment, then again, they will turn it in.